Have you ever wished your favorite website could behave like a real app on your phone or computer? Maybe you want faster access, cleaner navigation, or a distraction-free experience. Well, in this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to turn any website into an app, and the best part is, everything is completely free. Let's get started. Way number 1. Install as a progressive web app. Many modern websites now support something called a PWA, or progressive web app. Platforms like Twitter, Pinterest, Spotify, and countless others allow you to install their sites directly on your device. If you're using Google Chrome, open any website, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner, and look for an option that says, Install App, or Install Site as App. Once you install it, the website gets its own icon, launches in a clean window, and behaves almost exactly like a normal app. This is the fastest and most reliable method, and it works on Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and even Android. PWAs load faster, work offline in some cases, and don't come with unnecessary browser distractions. Way number 2. Use a website to app converter. If the site you want doesn't support a PWA, no problem. There are several free online tools that can convert any URL into a simple app-like experience. Websites like Web Catalog, Site2App, and Native GUI let you paste a link, choose a name and icon, and generate a standalone windowed app for your desktop. These tools are great if you want multiple apps, such as separate windows for social media, work dashboards, news sites, or AI tools. You can even set custom icons and change the app's appearance. For productivity, this method is incredibly useful because each site becomes its own dedicated workspace. Way number 3. Create home screen shortcuts on your phone. If you're on a smartphone, you can convert websites into apps with just a shortcut. On Android, open Chrome, visit any website, tap the 3 dots, and select Add to Home Screen. Boom, you now have a clean icon that launches the website like a native app. On iPhone, open Safari, tap the share icon, and choose Add to Home Screen. The website will open full screen and feel much more like a real application. This method is perfect for tools you use daily, shopping sites, dashboards, study tools, or even your own favorite blogs. Final thoughts. You don't need to be a programmer to turn websites into apps. With these 3 methods, installing PWAs, using conversion tools, and creating home screen shortcuts, you can make any website feel faster, cleaner, and easier to access. Try them out and transform how you use the web. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.